In the IELTS reading test, a useful skill is being able to identify references. What does this mean exactly? Well, basically, it means knowing when the same information or detail is written in more than one place in the text. Every text has its own logical structure. The parts of the text are all related to each other in a meaningful way. Writers often use reference words to show that ideas are being repeated in the text. They use synonyms, paraphrase, or reference words such as this, it, or them. These reference words can refer forward to someone or something in the text, or back. Let's take a look at an example of how reference is used. In this example, you can see how reference words have been used to show that information is being repeated. These reference words may come before or after the person or thing that it's being referred to. As you can see, one firm refers to the clean-up kitchen company, so the reference comes before the name of the company is given. It refers to specially designed psychometric software. The reference word it comes after the type of software that is described. And finally, the word its refers to the clean-up kitchen company's staff. So this reference word also refers back to this particular company. Did you notice how the writer used reference words so that the same words and phrases are not repeated over and over again? Without these reference words, the text would look like this. Not very natural, is it? Let's look at one more example. Look at the reference word they in this sentence. There are three things that this word might be referring to: many years, wealthy and academically bright students, or large British or American universities. Which one do you think is correct? If you said wealthy and academically bright students, you are correct. To check your answer, try to put this phrase in the place of they and see if it makes sense. Who or what wanted to get an overseas degree? Many years wanted to get an overseas degree? No. Large British or American universities wanted to get a degree? No, that's not right. People want to get degrees from universities. Wealthy and academically bright students wanted to get an overseas degree. Yes, that makes sense. So that's an introduction to identifying reference. Having a good understanding of how parts of a text are linked together with reference words should make it easier for you to comprehend the texts in the IELTS reading test.